packing for Seattle today. This trip has been planned since last year, and it's a big trip only because we're planning a huge birthday party for my mother-in-law that she doesn't know about. So I got these cake toppers custom made from my friend Minta B. I'll be linking her information below the video. These are so cute. I'm so excited. And this cat is actually really special to our family. So it was custom order. I love it. And I also asked for some party favor keychains. So that also has the little cat. And then I made some name cards for the party and little chocolate covers for Kit Kat. It kind of plays with the words Mom Cat and Kit Kat. So we'll be covering up Kit Kats for party favors as well. I'm so excited. I'll be packing and hopefully I get to take you guys around in Seattle. Giant paper hyacinth came out. I'll be linking the full tutorial below, but every time I make these giant flowers, I have so much scraps of paper. So I thought it would be a really good time to show you guys what I do with all my scraps of paper, because I do save a lot of them, especially if there's this much amount. I am actually going to be making more paper. I'm excited to work on that. I actually got a new kit, so I'm going to be experimenting both with my old paper making kit and my new paper making kit, and I'm going to be linking that below for you guys. I do find them on Amazon, so check it out. Let's get started.
Cause baby, love